Vital Pakistan is a public health organization that aims to save and improve the lives of mothers and children in Pakistan. We do so both through innovative research as well as service delivery. We currently serve the coastal communities of Karachi through an integrated healthcare model that covers the whole range of healthcare needs of a pregnant woman and her child. Vital Pakistan delivers services both at the community level as well as the primary healthcare level. A big challenge in healthcare is the fragmentation of data across different services as well as different time periods. We felt that we could use technology to integrate data and services across the care continuum. When searching for a tech or design partner, we were looking for someone that had a strong track record of delivering high quality products and that could act as a thought partner as we work through the thorny and challenging problems that healthcare presents. Ultimately, we chose to partner with VentureDive both because of their experience in delivering high quality tech products, but also because of their team members' expertise in working with open source software tools as well as working with healthcare products in low resource settings. The solution that we developed with VentureDive was an integrated digital platform that has a comprehensive set of modules that covers the entire healthcare journey. For example, antenatal care, newborn care, physician, family planning, and a whole other set of modules that ensures that a pregnant woman and her child is able to get care at every single touch point during critical aspects of their healthcare journey.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मेरा नाम शाज़िया है और मैं एज़ अ कम्युनिटी मिडवाइफ यहाँ पर काम करती हूँ। हम लोग पेशेंट को एंटीनेटल केयर प्रोवाइड करते हैं और पिछले 3 महीने से हमें डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया गया है जिस पे हम लोग काम करते हैं और वो बहुत इजी है हमारे लिए करना, क्योंकि हम लोग इजीली उससे पेशेंट का प्रीवियस रिकॉर्ड हम लोग देख सकते हैं और पेशेंट से रिलेटेड कोई भी हाई रिस्क हो, चाहे वो अल्ट्रासाउंड के थ्रू आया हो, चाहे वो लैब्स के थ्रू आया हो, वो हमें अलर्ट करता है।
हम पिछले 6 महीने से डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। हमारी टास्क लिस्ट होती है जिसमें हमें डेली बेसिस पे इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है। हम उन घरों पे जाते हैं और उन बच्चों की असेसमेंट करते हैं, उनको चेक करते हैं और उनको रेफ़र भी करते हैं। इस डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म के ज़रिए हमें बच्चे की सारी हिस्ट्री नज़र आ जाती है।
Since our platform has gone live, we have worked hard to iteratively improve the product, and now after several months of testing this product out, we feel that our end users are extremely satisfied with the tools that they have in hand.
मैं हर हफ्ते टीम से मिलती हूँ और उनको डिजिटल ऐप के हवाले से फ़ीडबैक देती हूँ और जो इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद करूँगी कि मज़ीद उन चीज़ों में ज़्यादा बेहतरी आएगी और हमें बहुत आसानी होगी पेशेंट को एंटीनेटल केयर प्रोवाइड करने में।
इस सिस्टम के ज़रिए, इस ऐप के ज़रिए हमें ऐप बच्चों को रेफ़र करने में, बच्चों की केयर करने में बहुत आसानी मिली है।
Since the digital platform has gone live, we have registered more than 80,000 women and children in this system and are currently serving 5 underserved communities of Karachi. We hope to scale this system to many more communities in Karachi in the coming months and years. I would strongly recommend VentureDive as a tech partner, particularly for organizations that are thinking about how to make the transition from a paper-based or from a low-tech organization or system into something where technology is the centerpiece of what they do.